to get the Most Valuable Player award.
And he's not even starting for this team in the semifinals, huh? Arwin Santos, a leading MVP candidate and the sixth man ng Air 21.
Right. The 6-point lead here for the Air 21 Express, 7-35 here in the third quarter. Tugade kicks it out. Ontiveros decides to shoot it. Too strong. Rebound to Air 21. Here's Winnie Arboleda calling out the play. Ito, tahimik pa dito si Gary David here in the third quarter. Cross-court pass, Arwin Santos. Traveling, tinawag dito kay Arwin Santos.
Nabanggit mo about Gary David being very quiet here in the third period. Iba-iba kasi yung mga gumagwardya kay Gary. Kanina si Chris Calagio, ngayon naman si Lodi Tugade. And very clear no, na mataas ang respeto ni Coach Shot Tankinsen sa offensive skills ni Gary David.
Mike Cortez, pinagtan si Olson Racela. He drives inside. Mike Cortez, couple of fakes. Nako, kick out pass niya. Anticipated here by Arwin Santos. And Arwin Santos was just talking about his defense kanina doon sa interview. Steve Thomas facing up against Dorian Peña.
There's a foul on Peña. Harap-harapan yun.
Oo, flipped him in the arm.
Yeah.
Itong si Steve Thomas.
And then that's a smart play by Thomas because alam niya si Dorian Peñas was sticking to him like glue. Kanya, any sort of motion that Thomas would make in going up for a shot, he knew there was going to be contact. Masyadong malapit eh, si Dorian.
Although it was his first free throw. That's Steve Thomas.
Grabbing intensity, no? It's written all over his face. He wants to go to the finals.
Minsan lang siyang ngumiti kanina, na technical pa eh. Oh, and another turnover here for Magnolia.
Well, you know, McCaskill is not used to playing that far away from the basket. And that time, very poor orchestration. That's 2 straight turnovers against Magnolia. And Mike Cortez, I don't know about his orchestrating skills in this game, huh?
Unforced errors pa eh, no?
Oo.
Ano nangyari dito?
Parang wala sa combination.
Here's Gary David again. Still too strong. Pero another offensive rebound dito para sa Air 21. Ito, nagtago si Arboleda sa likod ni Thomas. There's a loose ball foul. I think this will be called against Dondon Ontiveros. Oh no, against Lordy Tugade. There's a second foul on Lordy Tugade.
I think Gary David had position for the offensive rebound. At sunod-sunod na kasi yung mga second chance opportunities ng Air 21. So, a little frustrating now on the part of Magnolia. So, they committing fouls.
Dami na offensive rebound dito by Air 21. Down 13. 13 offensive rebounds.
Against 8 for Magnolia. At second chance points naman, it's 15 against 8. So malaki-laki ng kalamangan doon. Eh? Remember, that was also a critical stat in game number 3. When Air 21 had 18 second chance points in game 3. At ang Magnolia, 9.
Split for Gary David. An 8-point lead here for Air 21. Coach Shot Tankinsen called for a 30-second timeout. He doesn't like the way Magnolia has been orchestrating their plays in the past few possessions, no? Dahil nga miscommunication lang nangyayari, no? Passing errors. And wala man lang tuloy silang nagagawang attempt at the basket.
Well, kanya nga pinasok niya si Jonas Villanueva hoping that he might be able to get something different, no? From a new guard on the floor.
At yan nga, so Coach Shot Tankinsen trying to make sure that they execute this time dahil sayang yung mga pagkakataon nila.
Mga 3 minutes na hindi nakaka-score ang Magnolia, so it's a long silence here for Magnolia.
After they made that nice run at the start of the,
sa ating
third.
pagbubukas ng second half.
Nag-spotter na naman bigla.
Now they've grown cold. Kasi sunod-sunod yung mga turnovers nila, so they've not been able to execute sa kanilang half-court.
Here's Jonas Villanueva. Almost another turnover. Here's Mike Cortez. Sidestepping move. Cortez drop pass niya. Tugade wala. Covered here by McCaskill. And finally, McCaskill will take 2 free throws, Kinito.
First time, he'll go to the line.
Pero ang daming mga passing errors no?
Too many.
For Magnolia. It's a small lineup now for Magnolia. You have Villanueva and Cortez on the floor at the same time.
McCaskill is a good free throw shooter. Knocks down the first. And looking over the history of McCaskill, first of all, he's 34 years old. He did play 4 years in the NBA, but partner, his first NBA team was the Orlando Magic back in 96-97, and didn't go back to the NBA until 5 years later with the San Antonio Spurs.
In the meantime, ito, TN press by Lordy Tugade. Perks things up para sa Magnolia. Ako, pero
may foul na naman.
Hindi magiging maganda to dahil nasa penalty na itong Magnolia.
Well, ito na yung tinatanong, yung sagot na tinatanong mo kanina, Richard, na kung bakit, well, yung napuna mong small lineup ng Magnolia, Coach Tankinsen now looking to press and create turnover situations para sa kanila. That's why he's using Villanueva, Mike Cortez, and Lordy Tugade. They want to press all the way in the backcourt and force some turnovers. The problem is, when your focus is to press and put pressure defensively, you tend to make contact. And I don't know whether it's a good gamble. With 5:43 to go, you go to a full court press, you make contact, you're in the penalty, you give free throws.
And Arwin Santos just splits his free throws. 5-point lead for Air 21. Here's Mike Cortez.
New man on the floor for Air 21, si Egay Billones.
Oo. Jonas Villanueva. 8 seconds sa shot clock ng Magnolia. Drop pass to Dorian Peña. He gets the basket. Kanina pa gusto gawin niya ni Mike Cortez, and finally they succeed.
Pushing foul number 33,
Ranidel pa natawagan ng pushing foul. Look at this again, drawing the defense to him. And Dorian Peña doing a good job finishing that one, giving Mike Cortez an assist. Mukhang nag-settle down na itong init ng ulo ni Dorian Peña. Arwin Santos na nagbaba ng bola. Billones being denied by Mike Cortez.
Again,
ito,
nice.
nakawala, bigla.
Oh, si Billones yun.
And here's Jonas Villanueva. Villanueva to Tugade. Yes! And with exactly 5 minutes remaining, Lordy Tugade scoring his 13th point of the ball game, and more importantly, bringing Magnolia closer to Air 21. They are only down by 1. We have a timeout.